Ever wonder what really makes our world move? From cars to cranes, machines power our lives, but we rarely think about what's inside. Behind every button you push is a world of engineering magic. The machinery and appliance industry is the backbone of modern life, built on simple yet brilliant principles. Every day, new technologies and factories emerge, fueling progress worldwide. But what's the secret? It's not just motors, it's how we control and direct power. The real genius is in refining force, changing speed, torque, and direction to do useful work. Enter the unsung heroes, gears. These toothed wheels are fundamental to human progress, working together in gearboxes to multiply power. Without gears, the Industrial Revolution and our modern world wouldn't exist. Let's pull back the curtain and explore how gears and gearboxes power everything around us. Get ready to discover the true titans of the mechanical world. So, what is a gear? Simply put, it's a wheel with teeth. When gears mesh, they transfer motion and power, turning speed into torque or vice versa. Gearboxes or transmissions are cases that hold sets of gears arranged in gear trains. They let machines have multiple speeds and torque outputs from a single power source. Your car's transmission is a perfect example, letting you crawl in traffic or speed down the highway. Machines rarely need raw power, they need controlled, useful motion. Gears and gearboxes convert fast motor spins into slow, powerful turns or the other way around. Without them, we'd need custom motors for every task, inefficient and costly. Gearboxes let us use smaller standardized motors and adapt their output to any job. They are the bridge between raw power and useful work. From kitchen mixers to massive ships, gears make it all possible. That's why they're at the heart of every machine. This session is brought to you by Navaties, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, Navaties has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Not all gears are the same. Each type has its own job. Spur gears are the classic straight-tooth workhorses, perfect for parallel shafts. Helical gears have angled teeth, making them stronger and quieter, ideal for car transmissions. Need to change direction? Bevel gears, shaped like cones, transmit power around corners. Think hand drills and car differentials. For huge torque in tight spaces, worm gears are unbeatable. Their screw-like design is self-locking, making them perfect for elevators and conveyors. Each gear type brings unique strengths to the table. From clocks to cranes, the right gear makes all the difference. These shapes and designs are the secret behind the versatility of modern machines. Gears aren't just parts, they are the superpowers of engineering. They quietly shape the world around us. The global trade for gears and gearbox assemblies is currently valued at USD 19.7 billion, fluctuating between USD 15.7 billion and USD 20.4 billion over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, the global trade volume stands at about 898.32 million units, with a historical range between 441.49 million units and 898.32 million units. The average global price for gears and gearbox assemblies is $21.98 per unit. The top importers of gears and gearbox assemblies are USA, China, Germany, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Italy, India, UK and France, while the top exporters are Germany, China, USA, Italy, Japan, India, France, Taiwan, Poland and Belgium. India currently exports USD 1.05 billion worth of gears and gearbox assemblies, supplying about 11 million units to the global market at an average price of $95.23 per unit. India holds a 5.31% market share in value and 1.22% in quantity. Over the last 5 years, India's market share has ranged between 3.33% and 5.31%. with revenues between USD 525 million and USD 1.05 billion. So if you are looking to import gears and gearbox assemblies at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for gears and gearbox assemblies trade about any country directly on the Navaties platform. Gears are evolving, getting smarter and greener. Modern gearboxes use sensors to monitor performance, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing costly breakdowns. Engineers are pushing for efficiency with new materials and designs, cutting friction and saving energy. Green gear systems now power wind turbines and other renewable tech. Automation and robotics are driving demand for compact, precise gear systems. Emerging economies are fueling new markets for gears of all kinds. From toys to Mars rovers, gears remain essential to progress. They are becoming more intelligent and sustainable every day. The future of technology isn't just digital, it's mechanical too. The story of the gear is far from over. It's just getting started. How can Navaties help you in exploring the global trade of gears and gearbox assemblies? Navaties provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global gears and gearbox assemblies trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import gears and gearbox assemblies based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to machinery and appliances industry, or access our world directory of companies, trade and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report of global gears and gearbox assemblies trade, or visit navaties.com. In summary, the international trade of gears and gearbox assemblies in the machinery and appliances industry is a dynamic and evolving sector driven by technological advancements, industrial demand, and global market trends. Understanding the product analysis, diverse applications, international market overview, and market trends and opportunities is essential for industry players to capitalize on the growing demand for high-quality gear solutions in the global marketplace. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.